How are you doing, guys? Are you guys enjoying your holiday, by the way? Or are you being worried about your midterm presentation? Anyway, in this video, I will show you how to do midterm presentation for NAMU, POM, and UL. It is the instruction that is given to them. They need to create 3 input boxes, accepting 3 different subjects, and display the result in a message box. So I break down the question and I get this. First thing, I need to create 3 input boxes and also 1 comment button to display the result. And it is the code that I need to use for displaying messages in a message box. All right, let's start working. Opening Visual Basics. We are going to use standard EXE. Click open. All right, now you get something. The first thing, it said create 3 different subjects is, and we are going to accept 3 inputs. So let's create 3 different labels. Label 1, label 2, label 3, and also 3 text boxes to accept input from user. Second text box and the dead text box. There we go. And 1 comment button to show the result. Okay. Let's say the first subject is an English subject. We are going to accept the score from user. So let's use the word English score. And the next subject is mathematics score. And that subject science. There we go. And we don't want text 1 to display inside text box. So I'm going to get rid of text 1, text 2, and text 3. For the comment button, it's a bit ugly to just leave it as comment 1. So let's change the name into something else, like score in percentage. Okay. This look better and it make more sense because we are going to display the score in percentage subject by subject. All right. The next thing is you're going to double click this comment button so that the place where we can write our code or the form that we can write our code will show up. All right. First thing first, when you want to accept something from user, you need to create a variable. So let's create a variable. We need to use dim statement, dim, and the name of the variable. The first score we are going to accept is English subject. So let's just say English score. Okay, as integer. And then we are going to assign this variable into an input box. When we use input box function, the first thing is a prompt. It will show or ask the user like a message. So we are going to say like enter your English score, something like this. And the second one is the title of the form, which means the thing that you see here. It says project 1 form 1 code. But we don't want to display something like this. It is not really professional. So we are going to say English score. Oh, I forgot the double code. Here we go. And that parameter, it is a default value. And we don't want to display anything special. So let's just put 0 like this. Okay. Now you already accept the input from user. The rest is you just need to display the result in percentage and show in a message box. So let's use message box function. Okay, so that is the message that we are going to display, and we are going to use the and sign, English score. Right now, the score that we receive is not in percentage yet. We need to change into percentage. So we need to divide by 100 and multiply by 100. That is how you make percentage. All right, let's see if this is working or not. So score in percentage, enter your English score. Let's see, I get 15, click OK. Ooh, I got some bug. Percentage of English score is 15. Why is that 15? Because when we try to do percentage, 100%, 100 score means 100%, right? And when you get 15 score only, how many percent you get? So what you do is you put 100 and you need to multiply. It is 15, the score that we get on the top, and then divided by total score. See, it is the math. Now you get 15%. Because our full score is 100, that is the reason we get exactly what we enter. If the full score is 80, something like that, we are going to get different percentage as a result. All right, I hope you guys understand. Okay, now we only finish for English score. You might want to do for mathematics and science. How about you pause the video and do by yourself? I believe you guys can do it. Have you done it? I guess you guys can do it without a problem, right? All you need to change is the name, the variable name here. It has 3 places, so don't forget to change in both 3 places, okay? And also the subject name, mathematics. And the last one is science. So just change here and also here. This one should be science. There we go. All right, now let's run and test our program. Actually, we don't need to use these text boxes because we are going to change into percentage by clicking only this button. So you can either put this or without it, it is okay. All right, let's test. My English score is 30, then I get 30%. It should be showing, but okay, now it's mathematics. Okay. Oh, English score is 50, which means I made some mistake here. Science score 20. Ah. Do you find where is the mistake? Yeah, I believe you found it. The mistake is here in the message box. I only display English score for all three of this. That is the reason. So I just need to change English to math, English to science here, and then run again. This time it's gonna be perfect. 50, here we go. 40, there we go. And 80%. Ooh, okay, I still have some. Oh, it's just slow. Okay, there we go, 80%. Maybe you might want to put percentage sign behind. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, it's a combine error, so you cannot do that. Okay, it's cool. All right, I hope you guys understand. Let me change this because we are not using this anyway. So let's just make something like that. And change the, oops, the name of the button. Okay, let's change the name of the button to click here. To change into percentage. All right. So every time I click this button, it will ask the score, and you put your score here, and then it will change into percentage. Wait a few minutes, I guess. Okay, this is the new bug that I found in Visual Basics. There we go. Working like a charm. I hope you can do in your midterm exam. Good luck and see you at school.